Actually, there used to be this place that I used to go to, and they had truffle fries. You know what truffle oil is? Or the truffle mushroom is a very I don't know, it's expensive. I don't know why it's expensive. I guess because it's rare. But it's an acquired taste. Some people love truffle, some people freaking hate it. But this place I used to go to, they had truffle french fries, and I would buy the truffle french fries and then I'd go home and stick it in the air fryer. And that's all I would eat. Just the truffle fries. I don't need anything else. I think I have a sneeze coming. I don't know. Maybe. I'm gonna flatten this too. I'm gonna get rid of this too. Boom! Boom! I don't know. I've had to sneeze a lot on stream, but it always runs away. Isn't that the worst feeling when you have to sneeze and you... and then it goes away? That's like when you get... Do you guys ever get itches that feel like they're inside your body? Like underneath the skin, and you can't get to it? Yes? Yes. Isn't that annoying? It gets me annoyed. Boing! Boing! Before the stream, I was playing some Fall Guys. I played 3 games, and then I rage quit. Yeah, whatever. That game, whatever. Whatever. It's not my cup of tea. That's all I can say.